So, we finally climbed out of the van. It was really cold when I woke up, everybody. I just want you to know. It's pretty chilly. I think it's like November the 15th today, or 16th. I don't even know. I lose track of time when I'm camping. But anyway, today Jeremiah's coming, but we gotta have breakfast. So we're gonna have a simple breakfast this morning, and because it's such chilly weather, we're going to choose to make some hot cocoa. This is a Starbucks, and you do use milk with it, and just stir it all together and mix it up, and you can add whatever you want. Marshmallow, I'm not gonna do that. I think this has marshmallow. Yes, this has marshmallows. So first, guys, I always use unsweetened almond milk, and we really don't have to worry about a refrigerator because it's cold out this morning. So I just fill my cup first, how much I want, and I pour it into my kettle. We're going to light up our stove. Make sure there's nothing around it that's going to catch on fire. I'm going to open up. I'm going to be using this cream cheese. I'm making a bagel with my hot cocoa. And I picked up the garden vegetable. I know none of this is really good for me, but like I said, this weekend I'm cheating a little. Oh, that looks good. Trash can. I think I'll put it down here while I'm cooking. So yeah, that's what we're putting on the bagel, is a garden vegetable. So we're having us some hot cocoa. And we got to open up our cocoa mix. And again, I never usually use processed food. This is a very unique weekend. I'm doing everything less is more, and easy peasy. Well, while that's coming up to boil, I buy Asiago, which I love, bagels. Dad, lay down, go lay down. It's quite hot. I'm gonna pour it over here so I don't make a mess. Oh yeah, look at that. Hot chocolate by Starbucks with marshmallows. Perfect treat on a fall morning. And it wouldn't be complete. I was going to use my frother, but I don't think I have to. It's creamy enough. I don't need to froth it. Salute. My cup says, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. And it says, woman of God, wonderfully made. This was my mama's mug. Oh my God, so creamy. Okay, where's our hot chocolate? Now we gotta slice our bagel. So we can toast it up, put some cream cheese on it. Look at that, pretty good job. Popping them in our toaster. And this uses about 680 watts, the toaster. So I'm at 96% now. And we'll see where I end up after we toast this bagel. That Asiago bagel smells so good. Look at that. Status. Okay, now they have that golden little tinge on them. That's acceptable to me. Now we take our butter knife, scoop into that garden vegetable, get a nice big helping of it, because you're cheating for 3 days. I'm starting another Danette May challenge when I get back. Carter and I are going to do it together. But until that day comes, I'm enjoying myself. Yeah, so look at that. It's called Garden Vegetable. Here we go. Mmm. So, oh yeah, we got breakfast. Salute. But I'm having a great time. As you can see, I have fantastic views. I mean, just check it out, guys. Now, today was supposed to be cloudy all day, and it is partly kind of not as sunny as yesterday. But I gotta tell you, it's still beautiful here. So I'm not going to take too long of a walk this morning because Jeremiah and I are going for a 7-mile hike today, and I don't want to wear myself out. So I'm going to just take Ted for a quick walk, guys. I hope you have a great morning. Hope you enjoyed your hot chocolate and your bagel. I enjoyed cooking it for you, and I'll catch up with you guys later.